I think many small, medium-sized businesses reach a point in their growth where they realize that they're really encumbered with the lack of proper tools within their inventory management and control systems. They know they're tying up too much working capital in their warehouse, and at the same time they're running out of product and restricting their ability to serve their customers and maybe losing customers as a result of that.
TruAudio is a designer and engineer of architectural speakers for in-home audio. Also, we do outdoor audio systems and commercial. Outages is a huge problem for us because we have a lot of competition, and so if we're out of something, our dealers can easily just go to somebody else. And we don't want that. We want all their business.
The founders of Netstock recognized that there was an opportunity for middle market companies, small, medium-sized businesses, much like TruAudio, that really have the same complexity in their supply chain today that the big guys have always had. And they're using inadequate tools.
If we were to look, before Netstock days, it was a spreadsheet that was 75 columns long and 500 rows deep. That one wrong data entry and everything was a nightmare.
All the data had to be pulled manually. It had to be input into the Excel sheet manually. It was a very complex, convoluted, painstaking Excel sheet, but still very basic in that it didn't really bring in a whole lot of information to the calculation.
I ended up finding Netstock online and calling Russ and saying, hey, can you integrate with GP because the program is incredible and we need it. We have been trying to, in the last couple of years, have guaranteed stock on certain items for our customers, and we wouldn't be able to do that without Netstock.
I think a product like this is ideal because it's easy to implement, it's easy to maintain. I keep going back to the dashboard, it's on my screen all day long, and I can easily see what our inventory levels are at, what excess stock is at, and we can quickly change direction if we have to.
Cash flow is really important to us, and to have cash tied up in inventory is a real problem. We've been able to use Netstock to whittle that down close to $1 million in cash that we don't have to have sitting in the inventory.
We've been able to invest that money into additional facilities, into new products. We've been able to invest that money into marketing, into materials that we use for engineering.
It's freed up the ability to develop and release multiple products that we probably, 3-4 years ago would have been not able to do because we had dollar bills sitting on the shelf.
Netstock allowed you to actually see how much you had and where it was, when before you were blind. So there's the accountability and visibility that Netstock provided that we never had. I would recommend Netstock to anybody managing inventory in any way, shape, or form in a company of our size.